Hi, everybody. I am so excited to do my makeup here and share a little bit with you about the Seint Artist Program. So what I think is funny is that this video, I think I made it at around 9 p.m. at night one night when after my kids were tucked into bed, got some stuff done around the house, and then this is just happens to be the time that I had that day to work my Seint business. And that is one of the things I love most about Seint is that I can work my business wherever I am and whenever works for me and our crazy life. I don't have to punch a time clock and be somewhere at a specific time. I can do as little or as much as I want with my business whenever I want to. So there are no sales requirements with Seint, which is amazing. So I'm not required to sell a certain amount a month. I can take a few months off of selling and then come back full force. There is no pressure on building a team. You choose how you want your business to run. So we have people that do this as the most littlest amount of time just to grab a few extra bucks for gas or some family fun activities. And then we have others that literally have quit their full-time jobs and are doing this as their full-time job, which is absolutely amazing. There is no sales experience required. To be honest, there is no makeup experience required. This product, as you can see, is so simple to use. From teens all the way to the most mature skin. It's easy, it's natural, it's affordable, it's compact. People literally love it. And if you've tried it, sharing your love for it is so simple to do and so fun. And to make money that way is just the biggest perk ever. So if you're interested in learning more about the artist program, reach out. I would love to share.